Hello, make and cook ogbono soup with me. Let's start. This is me in the market. Here I bought my ogbono seed. After buying, I paid. Rain just finished falling. That is why everywhere is looking like this. I proceeded to where I bought meat. Next on my list is vegetable. I bought oha leaf. I know some persons don't know that you use oha leaf in cooking ogbono soup. I bought pepper here. She sold three of these for 500 naira for me, two yellow and one red. I proceeded in grinding my ogbono with crayfish. Here I'm back home. I have other things at home. This is me bringing out the items I bought from the market. After that, I proceeded in washing my protein. This is goat meat. Wash your protein thoroughly. After washing the protein, transfer into a pot that you wish to cook the soup with. Spice to your choice. Steam this before adding water. Next protein that I use for this recipe is dried catfish. Gently wash with hot water, debone and set aside. We'll be using it later. If you watched to this point, drop the city and country you're watching this video from in the comment section. I will send you special greetings in my next video. My today's special greetings goes to my new subscribers and my new followers. Thank you all.
This is okay for me.
This is one of the easiest and fastest way in dissolving your ogbono. Remember that I grinded my ogbono seed with crayfish. Mix very well with palm oil and set aside. I use mortar to pan my pepper and okpeye. Okpeye adds nice flavor to soups, especially ogbono like this. So this is me after grinding it. I added it to my pot.
Go in with the mixture we made earlier. If the palm oil is not enough, add additional one and turn very well.
Don't cover yet as ogbono has the tendency of rising and burning as well. Add the remaining ingredients. Cover and cook in a medium heat. The last thing that I added is my vegetable. This is oha leaf. Turn very well and cook for a minute. Turn off the flame. Someone asked me if you can use mortar for eba. My answer to him was yes. This is how to go about it. Make your eba inside mortar. Adjust with hot water if need be and pound. Pounding your eba will make it more softer and smoother. Time to dish out and eat. Thanks for watching this far. Watch how I eat my ogbono soup with eba. Ogbono soup is one of my favorite meal. Come, let's eat together.